Watch this room transform for just $50. Grab a $15 can of paint and choose a bold color to set the vibe. Sage green screams cozy. Add fairy lights for $10 to create a warm, magical glow. Perfect for evenings. Two $10 plants bring life to your space. Go for low-maintenance ones like pothos. Rearrange your furniture for free to maximize space and flow. Angle the bed for a fresh look. From cluttered to cozy in just $50. Bold paint, fairy lights, plants, and a quick rearrange did all this. Ready to transform your space? Try these hacks and let me know how it goes. Like, subscribe and share your glow up.